Welcome back to Bodycam, brought to you by Ride Along. Our guest today is an 80s band professional, Justice Rose. Actually, just kidding. Executive Protection and Corrections Officer in a Supermax facility. We're going to look at some footage. Check it out.
You got an unmarked vehicle right away.
Yeah.
So that's tends to be, who's Robert? Mm-hmm. Oh,
look at that.
Passing.
Past the unmarked police vehicle.
Right.
In a non-passing lane.
Opposite flow of traffic.
Process 1450.
Oh, coming out hot.
2 officers in a patrol vehicle, unmarked, and that's great. I love that. I wish every patrol unit had two police officers.
Uh-oh. First thing.
The police officer jumps out of the vehicle, and before they're even out of the vehicle, someone is already is laying down fire towards their position. Wow, look at that. It's crazy.
That's a great freeze frame. Fast and she stumbles. See the window
Barely
already?
missed her head. Barely missed her head, bro.
Yeah, look at that.
I mean, if she wouldn't have dropped, if she would have stood up, she would have probably caught it in the belly.
Yeah, nobody wants a gut shot.
You would have likely, this officer, your vest only goes about to an inch to a half inch above your belly button. And then everything else, you don't have body armor. And this is a low enough to where they definitely wouldn't have had armor. And they easily could have been hit. That was a whole magazine.
Yeah.
About 14, 15 rounds. Probably a Glock 9, I would imagine, something like that.
Coming in hot. Good manipulation. Fire. Already. She got, great job getting back.
So both officers are fantastic. The driver jumps out. The suspect fired upon the passenger side, right? And so they jump out, don't go to the ground, run immediately back, take cover behind the engine block at the back of the vehicle, and start laying down fire. The other officer realized they're being fired upon. Mm-hmm. In a split second, rather than stand up and run, they dropped. And then when there was a stop and fire,
right,
or when her partner
engaged
and started laying down, covering fire,
right,
that allowed her partner to run back to the vehicle.
Right.
These police officers are
trained.
Freaking awesome. Wow.
Making a radio call too.
Yeah.
Good reload.
Yep.
Are you okay? Headquarters. 43 shots fired. It's going to be a gold Cadillac northbound on WD. And sent at signal 5, and he's about to signal 4.
What a great call.
Yeah. Fired upon. Male officer ducked out, took cover, started laying down covering fire. That allowed the female officer to run back, start putting down covering fire. They both emptied a magazine each. So you're talking 30 rounds. All that happened within
6-7 seconds.
About 7-8 seconds. Yeah.
Happens fast.
And the suspect, because of the cover fire and because of the laying down all that fire from law enforcement, jumped back in their vehicle and takes off. Wow.
Then they make a radio call and a reload.
A reload, radio call, giving the position of travel for the vehicle.
Yeah, and description.
I knew it, dude. I saw it coming. That was pretty close.
Yeah, that bullet was quite close.
Yeah. Look at these bullets, dude.
Oh, so they got it on the driver's side as well.
So,
wow.
It appears that the suspect died in the vehicle further down, and then when the cops converged, they found the weapon and a knife with blood everywhere in the vehicle. So, tough call. Again, this happens. And most police officers are actually never fired upon and never have to fire their firearm.
Yeah, never discharge.
Never discharge a firearm on duty. It's actually pretty rare. And when it happens, though, it usually goes down just like that.
Super fast. There was no preamble to that.
Nope.
Guy went over illegal lane. They pull him over at the moment.
Yeah.
There was no. It was straight to Jump Street. That was
straight
great.
to Jump Street. On Bodycam by Ride Along. Check it out.